Welcome to week 13 of English 101, Rhetoric 1. This is our reading lecture for the week. It's going to be very brief. We're just going to talk about a couple of things. An article called, I'd like you to maybe reread the article Addiction and Chemical Dependency from earlier in the semester. I think that'll help with Essay 7. So we may not be at Essay 7 yet, but this is just trying to get the reading done in preparation for that, even though probably most everybody's still working, just starting to work on Essay 6. And then also a short clip from about a film called Ben is Back, which has to do with our theme of addiction and recovery. So let's look at that. So the reading summary for this week is addiction recovery and this idea how it can actually strengthen relationships. Not the addiction part, but the recovery part, going through that process. And just consider the following questions. This is Alan Goodstadt who wrote this article, I believe. Or no, actually, I think he's somebody quoted in the article. Now that I look back on that, think about that. But take a look at this article. It's in the, should be in the week 13 folder. And then your reading summary, of course, is in Blackboard in that discussion board area in the course content folder. And then we have this clip from Ben is Back, and it's called An Anatomy of a Scene. So they're kind of looking at a scene from a film. It has to do with a young addict who comes back home after being in treatment, I think, in a way. And, he's had a lot of bad experiences. His family's had a lot of bad experiences with him. And the mom especially is... There's a lot of drama between them and tension about trusting him. Can he stay clean and so on. So it's kind of an interesting scene. But take a look at this, and this is our journal for this week is based on this. Remember, the journals will be due at the end of the semester, and that's really all I have this week. It's just these couple of things, and that for our reading, take a look again at Ben is Back. That clip, you'll have to just follow that link, and then also the article on addiction and chemical dependency back there. And then as well as addiction recovery. So there's three things related to addiction, but if you only get these two, that's all right. If you have any trouble finding the one addiction and chemical dependency, but that was earlier in the semester. We read that a few weeks back. Anyway, if you have any questions about this, as always, send me an email, and I'll look forward to reading your work as you get into this more.